welcome to you, Old and Retro. Thanks for welcome to another video. My name is Vincent. Today I have a quick unboxing of another phone case for the Galaxy Note 9. This one is a slightly more established brand, which is the Ringke. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but Ringke brand of cases. They do have quite a few cases on Amazon from what I saw, and have seen a few of their cases around before. In this case, I got the one with the good impact protection. It's got military grade protection apparently. Does have a clear film at the back, which is quite nice and clear, so maybe I'll put some images or something like that in the background. It's eco packaging in this case, which is handy, so you don't obviously need too many in terms of boxes and things. And also picked up, along with that, some lanyards. What I do plan on getting is the moment case for the lenses I already have for the phone. So obviously my Note 8 one doesn't fit the Note 9 anymore. So part of the thing is that I never got a lanyard, which might have affected why I dropped it in the first place. So this will be handy where you get two in this pack. One actually fits this case itself. There's a little lanyard section part of it, I believe. And obviously I'm going to attach one onto the moment case as well, so it's kind of handy. So let's open the Ringke case. Very simple, it's nothing else in the bag. It just has a thank you note, which is quite nice, or a thank you card. Just obviously give them a product review, which is nice of them. Other additional accessories that they have magnetic mounting plates, which is quite handy. Obviously the car mount, quite people use that obviously. Power clip air vent mount, and obviously they have Fish Smart charging cable. I'm not sure what's so smart is it. I think they clip together, so it makes it easier to put in, so that's quite nice. Just say remove the outside film, use the corner of the case to protect the outside film, remove the inside film. So in my case, I'm not going to waste the time removing the film. I'm just going to stick the whole phone on and then just messing around with the film. I just want to see how the fit works basically. In this case, the film, I've seen some people try to remove them and they can be quite problematic. I don't have my knife on me, so in my case I'm just going to stick the phone in and then hope for the best. And it fits really snugly. In fact, this fits as snugly as the previous case that I just did it, the Cooldon case. It's more stiffer on the bottom, which I do like. Sometimes the lip isn't enough to actually warrant holding it, or pulling it out of your phone, phone out of your pocket basically. You sometimes have to pull like this, and this can be quite floppy for some people. This is actually a really good case. It feels amazing. There's good grip, clickiness on everything like that. All the buttons work very well. Is there holes? So yeah, all the easy access on everything. It does have fairly decent corner protection, which is what is important to me, because obviously what I found was when you drop it onto this corner, this takes a lot of impact. That's how I broke my Note 8 in the first place. It took the impact onto there and literally jarred the inside. So this works really well. That's great. Headphone port, all sticking out, so any sort of drops on the bottom do tend to be sticking out, and it does look like it'll survive quite a few drops. Obviously I'll peel all this off later on, but that's really nice. It does seem to have some sealing around here, which is good. So yeah, that's the Ringke case for the Note 9. Obviously I can attach the lanyard onto here at some point. Yep, it goes into here. I'll probably take the actual case off in a minute to attach this on, but that's quite nice. Oh, it's actually called the Fusion X on this one actually. Yeah, oh, sorry, the case is called the Ringke Fusion X, actually, it turns out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's going to be a quick one, and see you in another video. Thanks very much.